Lots of movement this morning, moving the showroom around a little bit. Plenty. Mr. Richard there in charge. GT3 Aston. Beautiful sound for Tuesday morning. It's not a Porsche, but it is a beautiful looking car, isn't it? With Josh on board. A little bit of jiggery in the showroom, a little bit of parking. Wow, good work. Now Graham's come in to watch. Gotta say, Andy's got it in one. It made that look positively easy. GT4, one of my all-time favourites. I often say all-time favourites, but I realise there's quite a lot of Porsche that I rather like. I like this one in particular. It's special order colour. Only one I've ever seen in this shade. Darker red than normal. 3.2. Just can't be better. These are fabulous cars. Brilliant. Timeless. Can you tell? It's Peru red, not Guards red. Has anyone out there seen another G-Series in Peru red? I haven't, and I've been looking for decades. Looks just like a 911E. Performs like they wouldn't have dreamt of back in 1972. Now just in for resale. Very high quality build on 3 litre, tuned on throttle bodies. A lot of detail work on this car. Really, really nice. Unique. GT2 Club Sport. Very, very special. And this is a beauty. A two-wheel drive, tuned 996 turbo, if you will. Light, fast, sharp, minimal. Just gorgeous. Lovely.